It's 4100. This is Censorwurst. We will quickly deliver news about the Middle East war. This is Bandar Abbas, Iran. An explosion has been witnessed in Bandar Abbas, Iran. The Israeli military has released footage of multiple airstrikes on assets belonging to the Al-Qard al-Hassan Association, which is linked to Hezbollah during this operation. Is this the Iranian Air Force attacking Israel? The Iranian military used drones to attack oil and gas refining facilities and fuel storage tanks in Haifa, Israel. An MQ-9 drone was shot down over Iraqi airspace. It has not yet been confirmed who shot down the drone. The United States is moving some THAAD systems from South Korea to the Middle East. The Iranian foreign minister stated that after US President Donald Trump said the war with Iran would soon be over, Iran is prepared to continue attacks as long as necessary, dismissing the possibility of dialogue. Abbas Araghchi told PBS News that the bombings continue, and Iran is ready to keep launching missile attacks as needed and for as long as necessary. Araghchi, Iran's foreign minister, called the US and Israel's war against Iran a failure and said attacks on US bases in the Middle East are self-defense. Spokesperson Araghchi stated that if the US attacks, Iran will target US military bases and assets in the region as it can't reach the US mainland, and all countries there have been warned. Prime Minister Albanese stated that Australia will deploy long-range reconnaissance aircraft and send air-to-ground missiles to help Gulf countries prepare for possible attacks from Iran. Prime Minister Albanese said Australia will supply advanced medium-range air-to-ground missiles to the UAE after recent talks. Meanwhile, Iraqi authorities have sent more security forces to northern Iraq due to rising tensions in the area. Is this not to invade Iran, but rather to prevent the Kurds from crossing into Iran? Egypt has raised domestic fuel prices by up to 30% due to exceptional global energy pressures caused by the Middle East war, such as disruptions in oil supply and maritime transport routes. If there is more news, I will make a video and upload it. This is the end of the video. Thank you.